How to turn on dark mode on Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up list at the bottom, click on Settings, and from the Account Information section, click on Account Management, and then click on App Theme. A pop-up list will appear at the bottom that has three options: System Defaults, and Light Theme, and the Dark Theme. So click on the Dark Theme to select it. As you can see, as soon as you do that, your theme or your Pinterest app will turn to dark mode. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable the dark mode in the Pinterest app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.